morning, children. I hope all of you done the last homeworks. If you have completed your homework, children, please submit your books to our school. You should have to check your books. And okay, now open your EVS textbooks. Everyone, open your books. Page number 44, lesson number 5. Precious water. In our last classes, we have completed different types of precious water. In our last class, we have seen children about a we are for you means how all the trees plants are useful to us. I told some banana and coconut trees uses of that tree, what they are giving, how should we take care of them. Okay, and some domestic animals, wild animals, flowers, different types of. Next one, parts of plants, every type I told in a last class. So now today we have to start a new lesson with the name of precious water. Isn't it water is very necessary to all? Yes, without water we can't live. We have to drink daily 1 or 2 liters water, children. Okay. So open your book, page number 44. Here you already know the uses of water. For in our daily life, we need a water in each and every work. We need a water. Make a list of different works you do using a water in your house. Please take pencils in your hand, children, and write down answers. What answer I am telling? Right here are 6 uses we have to write. For what purpose we are using water, children, in our daily life? Firstly, while you are getting from your bed, what you are going to do? Brushing your teeth. So there is a use of water. Next one, you are doing bath. So bathing, there is again uses of water. So next one, for drinking purpose. Firstly, for drinking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning utensils. Next one, for planting, watering plant. Okay, the washing vehicles, different so many things which need a water to do that work. Cleaning vegetables, fruits. For cooking purpose also water is very essential. So right here, drinking, cooking, in this they are given here space, so you have to write here. For drinking purpose, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning utensils. So many uses are there, you have to write here. Next one, look at this picture. Raju is bringing water from the well for drinking purpose. What is the source of which you get water from the house? Okay, who is this boy? His name is Raju and he is bringing water from a well. You know well, children? W-E-L-L. Well means this is a source of water. This is a sources of water made by man. There are the different types of sources. 2 types mainly. First one is a natural source and second one is a man-made source. Okay. Now in a natural source there are natural automatically came means sea, river, oceans, lakes. All these are the natural sources. And man-made source means which are, children? Hand pump, tap, bore well, next this type of well, water tank, such type of are there, they are man-made sources. The 2 types of source are natural source and man-made source. So Raju is bringing water from a well for drinking purpose. So they are asking one question here, what is the source from which you get water for use in your house? Observe. You are drinking water in your house. From where it came? Are you observe, children? It maybe came from a tap or from a well, river, from a filter water. Which water you are drinking? You have to observe it carefully. Turn the next page, page number 44, children. From where do you bring water from different work that you do at home? See here, you are drinking water For drinking purpose, we are bringing water from where? If it is a river water, well water, tap water, whatever it may be, you have to write here. Ask to your parents and write down here. Drinking water is filter water. You can write here. Next one, for cooking purpose, which water we are using? For cooking purpose, we are using a river water. Next one, for cleaning utensils. Again, which water? Maybe it for well water, pond water also. You can write here well or pond. For washing clothes, which water we are using in your house? For washing clothes, children, they are giving here on page 45, they are giving some different pictures. So please try to observe these pictures and write down here the correct answers of them, children. Drinking purpose, you are using which water, you have to write here. Next one, cooking purpose, utensil, washing utensils, washing vehicle, washing clothes. Next one, bathing, for bath purpose. Maybe it came from tap from your house, but how tap? Which source of water is they are using? From river, they are coming to our houses. So generally we get water, I am written here, generally we get water from well, tap and river. From which we get water, children, in our houses? Mainly well, taps and river. Generally we get water from these three sources. Which are these three sources, children? Wells, taps and river. Okay. Next one. Water sources are given in the following boxes. Put right mark in the box. See in the box seen. If you have seen the source, you should have to make a right mark. Second box, they are given if you are using water from the source of your household work, put right mark. Third one, mark in the box. Then mention for what purpose you use water in the following word. First one, source of water, they are given here. This is a well. So have you seen, children, well? If you seen, make it right mark. Take pencils and write down here seen. If you seen this well, make it right mark here. Next one, uses of well. For where we are using that? For washing clothes, we are using well water. For drinking purpose, some people are drinking well water. Next, tap is there. Have you seen tap? Yes, make it right mark tap. Again, we have to write down here source of, if you are using water from the source of household work. Yes, if you are using in your house, you write down, tick again here, and work for what purpose we are using, drinking purpose, washing purpose, bathing purpose, write down here the spelling here, make it to right mark. Next one is here, river. Have you seen rivers, children? There are so many rivers in our Karnataka also. So I hope all of you seen that. So right mark here. Use. You are using that water? Yes. Again make it right mark. And work. For what purpose? For drinking? Yes. Next one is lake is there. So in that way you have to make a right marks to all some they are given here different activities. Sources of water, next one is on page 47, stream is here again, they are given a stream water. See, if you see, make it right mark, if you not, make it cross. Next one is hand pump is here. Have you seen, children, hand pump? Yes, we are using a hand pump. So make it right mark, if you are seeing, make it right mark there. Next one, ocean. Have you seen, children, ocean? Samudra, sea. Have you seen oceans? If you are seeing, make it right mark. If you not seen, only make it cross. And you are using that water? No, because it's a salty water. Sea water is a salty water. We are not using them. Next one, write 4 sources of water in your place or locality or town. Here they are given some space on page number 47. You have to write here sources of water. Means all these are the source of water. So write down the names here. Hand pump, ocean, river, stream. All these are the sources of water. So on page 47, 48. Look at the following picture. Vanaja is using water for different purpose. This is an order in Manuja's work. Rearrange this work in the correct order by writing the number in the box. Here Manuja is one girl. Here is one. They are given one pictures here and you should have to arrange this by one. So I will tell firstly. If you want to fill the water in a pot, then what are you doing? Firstly, you should have to wash that utensils. Second one, you have to go to a tap. Okay. Next, third one, you have to fill that with a. You should have to on that tap and fill that pot. Next one, you have to take that pot and you have to go to your house. While you are going to her house, what you have to do there again? You should have to plate or lid on that pot. Close that pot. Next, while you are drinking a water, you have to use a cup with a long handle and take a water from that. Don't put your fingers in a water. So, rearrange these words, children. What you have to do firstly? First one, here number 1, 2, 3. Write down here number 1. You have to wash that utensils. Second one here. Second picture. Make a second mark. Number 2. Write down there. Third one. You have to fill that pot. Third one here. Next fourth one here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down here number 4. You have to go to your home. Fifth one. You have to put one lid on that pot, and sixth one, drink a pure water. Okay? Okay, children? Are you written these numbers? Okay. I hope are you done that. Are you written these correct numbers? Okay, we will stop here and again continue in within. Okay, we will stop here, children.